Hey everyone, Gil or Gray Man Prepping. Got an unboxing here for you. Actually, I got an unboxing, several unboxings, and an unbagging. So, let me get out my everyday carry here, and we'll start with the bag here. And I'll cut this here off. There we go. Whoa, that one sailed. In some of the videos we're showing, putting out the new drip irrigation system for the orchard and everything. The kits we were using there had tees, but the tees didn't have, the kits didn't have plugs for a line you ran off the tees. So I went and ordered a bag of 25 plugs. So got that to help out because I'm going to be using the tees with plugs when I do the IBS raised bed totes in the back, so planter bed. So that's for that. Next one here, quick back story. I know what it is, and you can see it too from Orbits. We have 3 lawn tractors, which are basically a contraption. I'll show you a picture of it here when I get it open, because there should be a picture of the full unit on the box here. Basically, it tows a hose. You lay the hose out, turn it around so it backtracks the hose. It has big spiky wheels. It drives along, and the whirligig on top throws the water on, and it waters it as it goes along. And it gets to the stopping point of the thing where it shuts off. Well, we're using one of them to test the stuff out there as a placement, and it was working fine. And then it suddenly stopped about after an hour or so, and it's like, okay, what's going on? Because the whirly part was still going, still spraying water, but the wheels weren't working. And we checked online to see how much it cost to replace another one, and get rid of that box. And it had gone up a bit. It was up to $71 for one of these things. And then later on, we were debating whether or not to get it. And then later on, I found a part for it. Well, this is what the whole thing looks like. And then what I got here is the motor part in the back of it. And so I don't know whether it rusted out inside or somehow something got in there, because it has a screen on it to keep bugs out. But, sometimes little bugs get through the screen and they grow up to be big bugs. Anyways, put it up here. And pull this out. There we go. Oh, this is different. This is very different. The other ones, the motor unit and the wheels are cast steel or cast iron. This is plastic now. And the unit here, this is really light. The unit here is plastic too. Is there screws in? Oh, good. Okay. So I got the instructions on how to replace it, and looks like some stainless steel screws, bolts. It's got a hex head on it and a Phillips in it. It takes 5 screws, 2 up here, 2 down here, and 1 here, where it attaches to the body of the lawn tractor. So it feels plastic. I'm a little leery on this, but we'll see if it works or not. So we got that one. Got rid of that one. Next box here. One of the things I have running all the irrigation, I have a bunch of 4-valve, not 4-valve. It's one unit that screws onto a hose bib, but has 4 outlets on it and 4 separate valves for each outlet. Two of them died this year. They just stopped working. Fresh batteries, everything just doesn't work. Well, all right. Get rid of this box. So I got a different one that costs half as much as the price has gone up on the other ones. If I can find anybody selling the four outlet ones here. So let's see here. Oh, good. No tape on the inside one. It comes with 2 washers and a roll of Teflon tape. Why? Because you don't use Teflon tape on hose threads. Comes with the a setup here to attach it, because generally on a hose bib's aimed out at an angle. That way this thing here will aim out and support this. But all my stuff is on yard hydrants, which go straight down, so I don't need to worry about that. And this is the new one. This is, oh, cool. This actually identifies which valves are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So no more guessing. Okay, is it on the start on the right side, to the left side? Is it start in the front or the back valve? So this helps out a lot. Oh, and let's see. Oh, this one takes 4 batteries. I think the other ones take 2. So twice the battery length on it. Set this stuff here, over here. So this will help out in keeping the different watering track systems online in time, so they're not overlapping each other. All right, last box here. Which side does it? Oh, this side here. It's got the little tabby 2 there. So let me get this opened up here, right? There we go. I got number 1 and number 2. It's a 2-pack. Don't need this box anymore. How? Oh, there it is. Okay, so what we have here is a tripod sprinkler unit. Got the sprinkler head there, but this has extending legs, so you can set it so it reaches up higher, reaches out a little bit farther, and this works a little bit better. So put that back together and set it over here. And then the sprinkler head here. A lot of tape on it. There we go. So this uses a impact head on it. For those that don't know what an impact head is, it's your standard, type, goes around, and it has adjustable pieces on it here, so you can set it to anywhere from, it looks like 3/4 around to just a little bit, or you can that moved over. Get this where I can get to pull it. There we go. This pulls up and flips out of the way, and then you just go around in a circle. So I got that on it, and it's got the instructions for it as well, how to use everything. And I don't have my glasses on, but I believe this is, oh, there it is. No, that's from 30 degrees to 360 degrees. Let's see here. 35-foot radius. So that's 35, 70-foot diameter across it. So a nice heavy-duty sprinkler on it. So one of these is going to go across the street where I rotor-tilled under a bunch of biochar from where I burnt branches and stuff down. And then there was a big pile of wood chips out there that unfortunately the morning glory decided, oh, this is a good place to grow. And so I rotor-tilled under the biochar, then I spread the wood chips out and I rotor-tilled that under. The film footage on it was screwed up on it, so that's why I didn't post a video on it. And so I got a big area out there I want to water, and I got a bunch of cover crop seed I'm going to put in the area I'm going to water, try to get it to grow up and produce the cover crops that put stuff back into the soil, and we'll see how that goes. I'm also going to put the other one here in the back behind the shop and where the cottonwood trees were cut down, and try to get that area revitalized as well. All right, take care, and we'll see you around.